welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Minecraft. I made a house. It's very small, Will.
No, said Buzz here.
My friend's just reading a
They
book.
drove to the fun part.
The door's open. Okay. And we got a puppy.
Then it
His
was
name
time to
is
go.
Rachel.
Mom and Dad said it's Fly Guy lost.
Then we
No,
got the
he-
chest.
No, said Buzz, here he is.
Nothing in it.
It's time to go home, said Mom. Let's hit the road, said Dad.
Got random stuff. Blah,
They
blah,
drove
blah, blah.
and drove and drove and drove and drove. and
Are you
drove and
seriously
drove
still
and
reading?
drove and drove and drove and drove and drove and drove.
Oh my god. And then we go.
They did not get home,
I'm gonna make some shells right now.
said Mom and Dad.
Making some shells.
Buzz and Fly
Flying
Guy had
shells.
an idea. Buzz said, "Fly high, Fly Guy."
No! I forgot. Total.
Fly Guy flew high into the sky. He used his super fly eyes to spy their house. Fly Guy led the way home.
Hey,
Thank
get off my
you.
shelf.
Fly Guy, said Mom and Dad. You saved the day. Yay, Fly Guy. That is, like, I'm just reading like a robot.
I
Did I
know.
hurt you?
No, you didn't even hit me. She just did. You
Uh,
did.
Fly Guy meets Fly Girl. I know
Right.
this one. So whatever.
I'm making the
whatever. I don't know this one. I don't know Hi Fly Guy. So,
Fly high, fly guy.
oh, this is when he just meets Fly Guy. So,
No, I need that. I'm going to need that soon.
chapter 1. A fly. went
You just have
fly.
to. We just have you reading in
He
the
was
background.
looking for something to eat. Something trashy.
Yeah.
Something slimy. A
Okay.
boy went walking. He was
Found it.
looking for something to catch.
What's the
Something
matter with this?
smart. Something for the amazing pet show.
Abigail, are you enjoying that book?
Are you actually filming?
You didn't know that?
Are you actually or are you not? Oh, you are! Oh!
Okay, there we go. We got my puppy.
Met. They meet. Boing. The boy changed the fly into a jar. A pet, he said.
There we go. We have our puppy here.
The fly was mad. He wanted to be free. He stomped his foot and
There we go.
said, "Buzz!" The boy was surprised. He said, "You know my name.
Question mark.
You are the smartest pet in the world." Buzz took the fly home.
Poor puppy.
This is my pet, Buzz said to Mom and Dad. He is smart. He can say my name.
Get inside. Puppy.
Listen, Buzz. Buzz opened the jar. The fly flew out.
There we go. Now we're gonna go higher. Above the
I'm not
clouds.
reading this anymore. I'm gonna read it at night.
Okay. You guys have like plenty more if you want.
Wait, can they see our faces?
No, not right now.
I don't know. If
This
they
is-
can, do you see this?
No, it's just I did not do places. I'm just doing this screen now. Just normal screen right now. I'm gonna land
So
on
I
my
can
roof.
join your game.
My goal is to land on my roof.
Nope.
That's very far. Let me try that again. Above the cloud.
Wait, what is that? Just one random block
Well,
somewhere.
that looks like a hole.
Hey!
Did I scratch you?
I pressed it. That was not my fault.
Oh, it's very close. Let's try that again now.
If I left it, you would have landed like right there. W.
That just
Now you're gonna be too far away.
there we go.
Yes.
No, this is perfect spot. Yes. Wait, where am I?
I knew it was too far.
I know how to get it now. Ready?
Ah!
There we go. I did it! Woo!
Now I'm just gonna. How much subscribers do you have, Riley?
24 on both channels. Oh, I'm on my roof finally. Oh, down at my video, that's safe. Oh, Abigail, did you know last a long time ago, me and Abigail saw the Northern Lights on Minecraft. Remember all the color?
Oh yeah.
That was the Northern Lights. It's rare to see those on Minecraft.
Wait, what?
I've seen
On my world?
No, it's on my world.
It's on my world.
No, it's on mine.
Go first.
Yeah, that's it.
I've seen the Northern Lights on Minecraft a million times. I haven't.
So what colors do they show?
Why are you asking?
No?
What?
What colors do they show?
You would know if you saw them 100 times.
Yeah. Me and Abigail only saw
And
it
you
once.
can't forget if you saw it 100 times. Olivia, say it louder. Okay. If you're not gonna say it,
It's red.
figure out.
There's red in it.
Is there?
Is it red?
Is there red? Oh, is there blue? Is there blue?
I know the answer. It starts with a Y. Yes. It's a yellow.
No, color isn't yellow. I got locked in the basement. There's only green. I said there was green.
No, and there's one more color. You remember, Abigail?
Oh yeah. Orange.
Remember the pink? Don't take them out. No, don't take them out.
Why?
At New Year's, it gets too loud. And you know how like deep the ears are? Anything with so close ears, they can hear lots. I would say they can hear better than cats for some reason. Because you know, like when your ears are like this, covered, that's where the ears are like. I like it. I remember when you're like, ow! I'm like, what? Then you're like, California's bit me. Then I'm like, they can't bite. You're like,
No, he actually bit me. I'm not joking. He actually bit me.
I know, I'm laughing. Wow. Let's do some fun stuff.
Let's do something fun. Get away!
Hey.
Ah!
You want to do something fun with me?
No! No!
Wait. Ow. Ow. There we go. Oh my God.
Wait!
Ow. Ow.
Stop it!
try one thing. I don't know if it will work. F5. F5.
Are you supposed to type it like this?
Oh,
F5?
F5.
You just have to do it.
Nope.
Why? What happened?
There's a puppy! There's a puppy!
Don't kill the puppy.
Where is it? Oh, look at all those eggs. Riley! Ow!
Okay.
That's what you get. Don't try to turn it off.
Fine, I'll tell on you.
Go ahead. I don't care. Actually, Riley,
Yeah?
come here.
Don't kill it.
I won't, but if you... I didn't even know the video was on! Hi! Sorry! She was trying to turn the computer off, and we were just like, what now? What the heck? You have a puppy dog. I don't know how to work this. There you go. Now I made it better.
Bye, guys. Push that.
How? Wait, I'm gonna go there.